to our learning to cook pizza journey, and today I'm going to be cooking a pizza with Italian mortadella ham and mozzarella cheese. So let's do it. Gosh, since I came out here it started to pour down and I'm kind of soaked, so we're all cutchy underneath my gazebo. So let's get this pizza in before we get soaked. I've turned it down because the stone was really hot, and I haven't turned it up again. It's a bit windy, so the flame is blowing everywhere. So I'm going to keep it like this for now. My peel is wet, and see how it cooks. So this was a 260 gram dough ball, and it's my homemade dough that I proofed for 24 hours. And yeah, that's about it, I think. I'll link the dough video up here. And just check on the pizza. There's a little bit more at the back. Kind of there. And I think that's done. Felt like a quick cook. I'm glad, because it was pouring with rain and the oven came up tramps. That ham's lush. I don't think I've ever tried that ham before. I didn't know what it was. Now I do, and it's very tasty. And my crust, cut into that. Boom. The weather forecast today, BBC, Weather and the Met Office jointly agreed that it wasn't going to rain today. It was going to be dry and sunny. So I don't go by the weather, I go by my instincts, and it felt like rain. and that's why I put the gazebo up. I'm very much looking forward to my barbecue pizza cover arriving. I've got some sort of bubbling type of base on there. Not long now. It said the latest it will arrive will be the 22nd of January. So I hope you enjoyed this very wet pizza cook. I wasn't wet though, thankfully, and the pizza wasn't either, and it came out really good. Did the job. Very, very nice. Take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.